video will give you instructions to help you remove the ransomware called Doomageddon. Doomageddon is new ransomware. It encrypts files and damages the files. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without any complications, including pictures, music, video files, audio files, and other samples. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Doomageddon ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. Very soon it encrypts files and damages the files. It is impossible to open the files anymore. So anyway, pretty soon the ransomware actually tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. The ransomware appends this Doomag extension to the file names. Of course, you should not waste your money and you should not pay the ransom. I recommend you to get rid of this horrible ransomware with Combo Cleaner. The best place where you can get it is on the website combocleaner.com if you can get there. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application through this official site, install the program, and then start carefully investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will definitely help you to detect and eliminate all other infections which could still possibly stealthily remain on your computer. So use Combo Cleaner to get your entire system fully fixed and repaired, and also to get your system protected from further malware attacks. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.